Okay, so last thing we did on Monday was write this check. Okay, and we did it kind of quick. Your instructions actually tell you some of the information that you need. That we've got our general account, and we're going to actually basically move money from our general account to a payroll account. And we do that for a couple different reasons. One is to protect it so that, you know, if there's fraud on, you know, somebody tries to alter a payroll check or something like that, it doesn't hit, you know, from $1,000 to $1 million, it doesn't hit our regular account. It also can help us keep track, you know, if somebody didn't cash their paycheck, what that is. And then also because it simplifies our journalizing, because we don't want to have to journalize and create account for every single person. We just want to have one general payroll account, okay, for our normal journalizing, our normal ledgers and such. All right, so it does tell us here, we're going to prepare the check to First Community Bank. It gives us the account number, sign your name. So that's kind of over here, what we did, right? So this is coming from our account. This was the total amount from the payroll register. We wrote the check, we signed it. We're just moving the money from our general account to our payroll account, okay? And then the next thing they want us to do is to write the individual checks to the employees, okay? So complete the payroll checks. Again, pay date's July 15th. Sign your name, and then record the 2 payroll check numbers in the payroll register. Y'all remind me to do that, okay? We got to record the check numbers. So that leads us to the rest of 12 core. So looking at page 319. And we'll need our payroll register information, okay? And we have to record, and again, a lot of this is duplicating, okay? So we're recording the numbers again. That we've already calculated, right? So it says here, this is for Edward P. Johnson. This is his previous month. This is June 30th, right here, okay? And then this one's gonna be July 15th. Okay, the employee is Edward P. Johnson. Okay, and then it's got regular, his rate, overtime, his rate. You can calculate that, or you can come back over here and pull the numbers from this, okay? Or you can pull it from this, okay, because you've already done it. Okay, so it's $1432.50. Oh, well, actually I got to divide it. So it's 132.1320. And overtime was $112.50. Okay, and again, the total earnings, $1432.50. So again, not having to recalculate, just having to move the numbers, copy the numbers. Okay, then this is where you need this information from up here. All these YTDs. What does YTD mean? Yes? Yeah, also have a whole column over here for YTD.
Year to date.
Yeah, year to date, okay? So this is just the accumulated information from January 1st for the year, okay? So what you have to do is you have to take the year-to-date earnings from the previous year, from the previous paycheck, add this one to get the new year-to-date, right? Where's my papers? All right, so basically it's the old year-to-date plus the current equals, right, the new. So this one will take a little bit of calculation. 1,217,218 plus 1,432.5. So 18,650.50. Actually, that number's right here too. Right, we've done that on the employee records. Okay. So that amount is their total earnings. Then we've got to calculate the deductions. All right, and again, we already have all of them right here in this row. So we're just moving them. So federal income tax is 61. Social Security tax was 88, 82. Medicare is 2077. Health insurance was 60, and retirement was 15. Okay, so all of this comes from the payroll register, as does this, right? This also comes from the payroll register. It's not something we have to go calculate or figure out again. All right, then we have the year to date. So this is what we've got, our previous year to date plus our new year to date equals the updated year to date, okay? So we're just taking this number plus this number to equal that number. So 522 plus 61 . Okay, and just again to show where that number came from, right? 522 plus 61 gave us 583. And then 1067.52 plus 88.82. 15634. 249.66 plus 2077, 270.43, 720 plus 60, 780, and 180 plus 15. Okay, so YTD equals year to date, right? And that's an accumulation. Whoop, did I freeze up? Oh, goodness gracious. All right, so then we're just going to add. Okay, so add up all the current deductions, add up all the year-to-date deductions while my camera is hopefully coming back on. we go. Okay, so I just added all these up to get 245.59. Add all these up just to get a new year-to-date total of all the deductions taken out of the check. Okay, and then net pay. Okay, this should be the same numbers right here. Okay, 118691. And if you had taken the total earnings minus the 24559, then we'd be gotten 1186 as well. Okay, so you can redo the math, you can pull the numbers from the register, either way. Okay, now this net pay is what we're writing the check for. Okay, this net pay is again a year to date. Okay, so the old plus the new equals the new year to date. Lots of lines going everywhere now. Plus 24559. So 14,724.41. Okay. All right, so then we've got all that updated, and then we just write the check. So July 15th is the date. Paid to the order of, this is to Edward. This is our net pay. And then write it in words. 1,000. Oh, I think I said that wrong a while ago, didn't I? This plus this equals that. Did I add it right? No, I didn't, did I? Oh, okay, we'll come back to that. I think I added the wrong numbers. 1,086 and 91. 100. Okay, give it a signature. And there's your paycheck for Edward. Let me double check this. So I did 14.82 plus 1186.91. Yeah. I don't know. I circled the right number, but I didn't add the right numbers. Okay. So really that's all there is to that. We just got to bring those numbers over, do a little bit of math up here, and write the check. Okay. All right, and then this is just the check for the next person, Janice. We won't worry about that for the working together, but then you'll go ahead and do the on your owns for 12.3 and 12.4. Okay, so 12.3 again, doing the payroll register. It's going to give you the numbers. You have to look things up in the tax table, calculate Social Security, calculate your taxes, deduct everything, give us a good net pay. Oh yeah, and I said, remind me, we got to put the check number in there, right? So check 261 went to Edward. Okay, so that's that last step that they're talking about, is recording the check number. All right, so check 261. All right, and then we took just Edward's row and we moved it to the earnings record just for him. So this is about everybody. This is just one employee at a time. And then we were able to write the check for that employee. Okay, any questions on that?
Miss Martin?
Yeah.
For the totals for the year to date, I got a different number when I added. I got 2,984.77.
Oh, okay, right there.
Yes, ma'am.
Did I miss? Maybe I missed that. Okay. 583 plus 1156, 4 plus 270, 43 plus 780 plus 195. Oh, what do I have not right? Have right then? 58, 270. I'm just not putting it in the calculator right. 8. It must be, yeah. Okay, so 2984.34. Is that what you got?
I got 77 for the cents, but I can do my math over again.
Oh yeah, because there's 34 and 43. Man, that's why I like having y'all around.
It happens.
I'll find my mistakes because it happens all the time. Okay. Now we're good. Any questions? Okay. So now just use this time to take care of the work on your own for 3 and 4. And then I'll open up that space to turn that in, and hopefully 1 and 2 is already turned in with your scans. Okay.